All right, working on the my little steam trick again. This is out of the town car. I did the Lexus. I did the replace the leather and steam the foam. I'm gonna try and demonstrate best I can here. So I'm gonna get this going. It's just a regular clothes steamer, and the foam gets where you get in and out of the car. It gets real depleted, so it's literally like an inch lower than the other side, and then the center is pretty flattened out. So here's the leather cover. Took it off. The way these are held in, there are these little rings here, and these have all these little guys here, and there's a metal rod inside there, and this hooks there and then hooks on the corresponding loop on the upholstery, and that holds it in the grooves here, so you get the look where it's actually pulled in. Otherwise, if you stretch leather over this with the way it dips in, it would just be like a drum head. So I got to reinstall all these. I have my own version of it with a special pair of pliers, but so it's starting to seam. Let's see how it looks. All right, I'm gonna do my best to get this. There we go. And I'll just continue this on every section of this seat until it's all the way puffed up. All right, after the steam, I got it set up here. It's drying, and I'm drying it because I'm going to use this stuff. It's a spray contact adhesive, and then I bought a roll of foam because even though the steam puffs it up, it doesn't get it 100% all the way up, and I wanted just a little bit more squish right where it's really sagging. And so this will fit basically right there where it's the most sagging. So I'll spray this stuff, stick it down, let it dry, and then reattach the leather. So